Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to remove the rear shock absorber in the middle of the winter. This shock absorber is held on by two 10mm bolts here at the top and one bolt here behind that is 15. So let's start with the 15. So guys, we're gonna start by hammering in the socket right here so it sits really well. You can clean off the bolt as well. This one was really clean, but if yours is really rusty, you can clean it off as well. You guys can use a bit of fire here, penetrating oil as well, or a bigger ratchet, like a breaker bar. So this is the first bolt, the lower bolt. It's a 15. Let's put it away. Let's put it inside of the bag. And as you see down here, the shock absorber is loose. It's just hanging. And now we're gonna remove the bolts up here. It's completely broken, like the top part, so it's already like out from the car, as you see. Let's remove it and work on it. We're gonna remove the two bolts here. They are 10mm, so let's go. I'm gonna use a small ratchet. So guys, you could use a bigger ratchet as well with an extender, and you could hammer on the extender to the top bolts that are 10mm. Be careful, use penetrating oil. If they're really rusty, try to use some fire, or you could use, if you round off the bolts, you can use like this special extractor socket. It works really well. So yeah, good luck. So guys, this is the top part of the shock absorber. This one is broken, but it's held on by two 10mm bolts, M8. It's M8 and 25mm if you want to buy new ones. So this is held on to the shock absorber by one bolt here that is 13, and then like the top thing of the shock absorber. And how you remove it is you put you hold the shock absorber with a plier, and then you put the key here and you pull around. So I'm gonna demonstrate how you do it. Like this. Take the key, and then you hold it like this, and then, you know, yeah, do like this. And these are the two tools that I use to remove the 13mm nuts here. It was really easy. And usually these top mounting parts on the shock absorber breaks, so I would recommend you to swap yours if you're just changing the shock absorber. Because it's better to have a new one, because they are fragile. And then down below here there is a rubber seal that you can remove from your old shock absorber, or that you can buy a new one. I can link the things in the description as well. And if you do like my videos, be sure to subscribe, and I see you next time.